Hey there, online shoppers. If you've landed on GetEyeCarePro.com, also known as Clarity Blue, you're probably wondering, is this site truly safe in 2026? Let's break it down so you can make the best call for your eyes and your wallet. First off, GetEyeCarePro.com is a niche player, focusing on the future of glasses under the brand name Clarity Blue. But here's the catch: the website's name doesn't match the brand, which can be confusing for first-timers. When I checked customer reviews, the site does show up on places like Trustpilot, but ratings jump around and there aren't a ton of verified buyers. If you're shopping, always look for that verified purchase badge before you trust a review. Now, about business transparency. Clarity Blue lists only an email for support, no phone number or physical address. This is pretty common for online-only shops, but it does mean you might be waiting a bit longer for help if something goes wrong with your order. Reports from 2025 and 2026 say email replies can be slow, especially for returns or shipping questions. On the bright side, your data is protected with standard encryption, and the privacy policy claims they don't sell your info, though they do use cookies for ads. But here's my honest take: if you want top-notch reliability and security, bigger names like LensCrafters or your local optometrist are safer bets. They offer in-person service, clear warranties, and years of public reviews. Bottom line? GetEyeCarePro.com is functional, but not a high-trust leader in 2026. If you decide to buy, stick with PayPal or a credit card, so you have backup if things don't go as planned. Stay smart and keep your eyes and your info